Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in Pair Network. Pair Network is a global crypto mining app used by millions of pioneers from different countries, and to make the app easier to understand, Pair Network support multiple languages. And if your Pair Network app is showing a language you do not understand or you simply want to switch to your preferred language here, this guide will show you exactly how to change the language in the Pair Network. So first, make sure you have a Pair Network app. If you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And once you open to your PI, and over here once you reach into this dashboard, on the top left corner we could see there's a 3-line menu. In the top left corner, select to there, and this opens the main menu navigation. Over here on the top we can find there's option for the change app language. Simply select to this to view available languages here, and you can select a desired language, English, Spanish, or any of this, and the app will automatically refresh and apply the new language here. Simply what you can do is tap on this and it will automatically reset to your language that you have selected. And that is it. That's how you can easily change the language in PI Network. This makes mining, KYC, wallet setup and navigation much easier. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.